how to turn on or turn off friends of friends suggestions on blizzardbattle.net on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to blizzard.com. This is the home page. All what you have to do now is just go to the top right here on my account, click and go to account settings. Now it will take you to this page. All what you have to do here is click on privacy and communication, click on update, scroll down until you find friends of friends suggestions, and you can enable it or disable it from here. After you finish, click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more educational videos, and thank you so much for watching until the very end. See you later in the next video.